Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How is it going? Hope you guys are staying healthy as always. So today we'll be talking about another credit card. It is a brand new one from Maybank once again. Oh, wow, I cannot believe that Maybank is on a roll in coming out with new cards. So what is this credit card that I'm going to talk about today? I believe you can see it in the title already. This is the brand new Maybank and Grab collaboration credit card. As usual, I'll be giving you my thoughts, or you can say it as my initial impression on what this card is about, as well as my recommendation, whether you should go for it to apply or not. So without further ado, let's get right on to the topic. Let's start out with the requirements. This credit card has quite a modest requirement. It requires you to have a salary of 36,000 ringgit at minimum per year. And this credit card is also free for life. So free for life is definitely one of the most important feature for me personally, who wants to pay for annual fee anyways. So as long as it's free for life, I will be interested to check it out. This credit card is specifically catered for Grab app users. If you are the person who used Grab a lot for their various services like Grab Ride or Grab Food or Grab Mart, these users are where Maybank targets you specifically and giving you a lot of benefits and a lot of interesting features in this card that I will get into detail right now. The benefits of this card are, so for every ringgit you spend on the Grab app, no matter what services it is, even reloading the e-wallet, you will get 5 times GRP. GRP stands for Grab Reward Points. The next level will be 2 times e-shopping as well as overseas spending. So if you use this card to buy from Shopee or Lazada, you will get 2 times GRP. And the final tier, which is the lowest one, 1 times GRP for every 3 ringgit you spend on any other spending. If you use this card to spend for dining, then for every 3 ringgit that you spend, you will get 1 GRP. Personally, in my opinion, this card is specifically targeted for Grab users. Hence, I would recommend that if you are really going for this card, you should bear in mind that this card will only be beneficial if you use it for Grab only. And by applying for this credit card, Maybank will also give you 1,000 GRP as part of their welcome package, as well as 50 ringgit of vouchers split into 25 ringgit for Grab Ride and 25 ringgit for Grab Food if you spend minimum of 300 ringgit within 45 days of your card approval. And for non-existing credit card holders from Maybank, there is a special promotion for you as well. So if you apply this credit card and spend at minimum 300 ringgit within 45 days of your approval, you will also get a free wireless earbud. So for you non-existing Maybank card holders out there, this is something that you can consider. It's an added bonus for you, so grab it while the stocks last. The next part, we'll be getting down to the features of this credit card. As I mentioned earlier, you can also get 5 times GRP just by reloading your e-wallet. And upon approval, your Grab membership status will be set as platinum level, which is the highest level, for the next 6 months. After that, if you want to maintain the platinum level, you have to fulfill the Grab requirement, which is stated within the app. If taking a look at the Grab reward scheme or Grab reward table, you can see that platinum level membership gives you accelerated reward points accrual, which is 2 times. Does this mean just by reloading the e-wallet while you are in platinum status, gives you 10 times GRP. I'm not too sure about that. Hopefully this is true. If this is true, I am quite confident that Maybank is going to do something about it. In fact, 5 times GRP can also be obtained by spending using your Grab app. So just by spending or ordering food with platinum status, will you also be getting 10 times GRP? I sincerely hope that this is true, so you can actually gain a lot of points very, very quickly to redeem the vouchers that Grab offers you using your points. But sadly, GRP is only redeemable using the Grab app in the form of vouchers, but not convertible to cash. This credit card also allows you certain discounts in various stores such as El Pro Pharmacy, Harvey Norman, and also Zalora. So with all that being said, what will be the conclusion for this card? Earlier in this video, I sort of hinted that this card is specifically targeted for Grab users. So if you are a frequent user of Grab to order your food or for Grab rides, this card is a no-brainer. You should definitely grab the opportunity to get this credit card. Or alternatively, you can also wait for a detailed review of this credit card. I have actually applied for this credit card just by seeing the rewards and everything, and it really looks interesting. I'll probably be getting my card within the next 2 weeks, and I will use it for the next few weeks and see whether the benefits is actually true. And the most interesting point will be whether you can get 10 times GRP or not if you have the platinum status and if you spend using the Grab app. Stay tuned for that review. I will drop a very detailed review within the next few weeks. Therefore, with the current information that we have right now provided by Maybank, I would give this card a 7 out of 10. Do stay tuned for the detailed review. But until then, leave a like on this video, share this with your friends and family, subscribe and ring the notification bell as well. And until the next video, take care and stay safe.